Hey guys, how are you? And welcome back to my channel. We're here on the 3 days before Christmas collab. We decided to go for 3 instead of 5 tutorials for Christmas. And if you guys want to know my foundation routine, which I'm not showing in any of these 3 videos, I have it linked below, or you can see it on my collaboration with 5 before Thanksgiving that I did with Tash. You can go also and check out that collab, and also check out the collab that I did with Alejandra for shopping our stash for new releases, for Christmas releases. And this collab is with Rebecca Morgan. She's amazing. I love that she does a lot of project pan. She's not that into tutorials, but I don't know why, because all her makeup looks are crazy creative. I love them. I love the way she uses color, and I love her Instagram. You have to check out her Instagram because she posts her looks on Instagram and you can get to know her better. I'm gonna leave her social media below. This is gonna be a collab for 3 days of tutorials just before Christmas. Before we go, don't forget to go and check out Rebecca's channel. Also subscribe to mine. Let me know what you want to see next on my channel. I'm in love with doing collabs because it brings me closer, not only to you guys, but to my community, to YouTubers that love to do what I do, even if we're different, from different countries, different languages, different everything, hair color, eye color, everything. We have different taste in makeup, different skin types. That's why I decided to do this collab at the end of the year, just to come closer together and show you something different. I hope you enjoy, and if you recreate any of our looks, please tag us on Instagram. And that's it, you guys. Let's just go into the tutorial. If you want to see this Christmas look with bold lips and bold eyes and with complementary colors, green and red, Christmassy colors, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's begin. I'm gonna do something different, which is I'm gonna use one of the shades of the Modern Renaissance that I'm trying to pan, which is Real Gar, and then I'm gonna go in, and the palette for today is gonna be my Natasha Denona Metropolis palette, because I just want to do that. I want to do a green eye look because it's gonna be the first video of the 3 days before Christmas. So the first color that I'm gonna use, my transition, will be Real Gar, and I'll be using the Morphe M504, and I'm gonna just blend this on the crease, and I'm gonna really diffuse it. I don't want any harsh lines. I just want the orange to peek through with the green. And this brush is perfect for that because it's dense and it blends beautifully. It sort of removes the harsh lines that the shadows can give sometimes. So now after that's done, I'm gonna go in with the start of the show, which is gonna be the Metropolis palette, and I'm gonna think about this quad right here. You can see that it has different greens, and maybe I can deepen it up with this one right here, but I'm not sure. I'm just gonna play with it and let it be. So I'm gonna grab another blending brush, and this time it's gonna be the E40 by Sigma, which is one of my favorite blending brushes of all time. I purchased another one and it hasn't been quite the same because this one is worn and it's perfect for me. I know how to use it. I know how it feels. So the first shade that I'm gonna grab is Lethal, which is this color right here, and it's in the cream to powder formula, which is one of my favorite formulas because it's so easy to work with and it has little to no fallout. You can see that I'm blending as I go. This is sort of the Grinch color. After that's done, I'm gonna go and deepen it up with this shade right here. And this is not as dark as it looks in the pan, I'm betting, because this is the wet look, the cream to powder formula, and it's the shade Royal, but it's beautiful. And I want something darker than this one that I already used, and I'm gonna go in with a MAC 252 and start to press it on the lid. I'm gonna tap off the excess and start to press it. Yes, that's the shade that I wanted, because it's not as dark as it looks in the pan, but it's definitely darker and a more pine green, Christmassy type of green. So for that green to be really nice and pigmented and diffused on the edges, I used that flat brush, and then to diffuse it, the Morphe M506, which is the small blending brush. So what I do is just small circles without adding any product surrounding the edges of the green. And you can see now the orange peeking through a little bit, but nothing crazy as you see on this eye. You can see that the orange, it's on the background basically. Now I'm gonna do my lower lash line, and I'm gonna go in with a short shader. This is the 820 by Sigma, and I'm going to just start smoking out the lower lash line. And I connect it always to the upper lash line and to the upper eyeshadow, because I don't want anything to look disconnected. And now I'm gonna grab Real Guard again, which is the one from the Modern Renaissance. And I could grab an orange from this palette, but I don't want to do it. But you know that you have the option. It's because I'm trying to pan that eyeshadow, and it's taking me a while to do it. I think that it has given me a lot of work because I don't want to use it all the time. I just don't feel inspired to use that orange, so I need to use it whenever I can. So I'm gonna just blend a little bit of the orange underneath the green. Now clean my little blending brush and diffuse that. It's just a hint of orange, it's nothing crazy. For my inner corner, I'm gonna grab this shade right here. Even though it's not a light shade, I want something dramatic. And that's Penny. That's a perfect name for it. This one, and I'm gonna grab a small pencil brush, and I'm gonna just highlight my inner corner. I don't want the green to be glittery. I just want the green to be a statement. So that's Penny. And now I'm gonna grab this Sephora collection liner, and I'm gonna line the inner rim of my eye, my lower and upper waterline, and I'm gonna define my eye that way. And now grabbing the shader brush and the green again, the dark green, I'm gonna diffuse that liner. Same thing on top, on the line that I created on top. I have done my makeup for years, and it still amazes me how black liner can change a look, because before the black liner it looks so awful, and then I always know that when I do apply the black liner, or when I do define my eyes with mascara and liner, the look will be amped up for sure. And now underneath my brow, I'm gonna go in with this light green shade. This is a duochrome, and I'm going lightly with it, topping off the excess and putting it right here underneath my brow bone, just to give it a little bit more luminosity. And mind you guys, I don't have my brows done, so it's not gonna end up looking crazy because I have to do my brows. And the brows, when I have them done, they will lower the look, or they will darken my entire face in a way, but they will give me more definition. So now I'm gonna go in, do my brows, my mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I decided to go with this lip, and this is Lady Balls by Too Faced, and I think this is the best Christmassy type of red. It's perfect and it lasts all day on the lips. Okay guys, so that's it for the first day of this beautiful collab with Rebeca. I'm in love with this look. This is the finished look, and I truly love the red lips. I'm thinking that I'm gonna do 3 days of bold lips for this collab. So I'm just gonna go full glam on the eyes and full glam on the lips, because makeup is fun, and we are not to say that we can't do something. We have to do whatever we want to do with makeup, because that's why it exists. I love makeup, and makeup is fun for me. If you don't like it, then you know that you can just wash your face. So it's no big deal, but play with makeup, enjoy it, and have some fun. Thank you, Rebecca, for collabing with me. I can't wait to see what you created. And that's it, you guys. Before we go, leave a Christmassy emoji, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next tutorial. Don't forget to go and check out Rebecca's channel. I'm gonna leave it linked below. And stay tuned for the 2 upcoming looks from both of us. And that's it. I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.